Hi, welcome to room 10279. This is going to be on deck 10, which is the Lido deck. Let's go in and take a look. As you can see, when you first enter the room, pretty standard. You've got your closets here to the left, which in this one has your hanging clothes. This one here has got a couple shelves. It's got your safe, and this one also has 3 drawers. Other than that, pretty standard interior room. You're gonna have a desk with a makeup area. We've got it set up for the king size beds. On the wall opposite of the bed, you're going to have your TV. And then this leads you into the bathroom, which again, you've got your typical Carnival curtain on the shower. And in the bathroom, you've got a couple shelves on each side, which is rather convenient. Okay guys, that's the tour of the 10279 deck 10 interior Lido deck room. On each light, I thought there was a USB and there's not, so we'll cut it before that.